What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. The last week has been very crazy. We have seen gold being sideways for almost all these 4 or 5 days, except for the last few hours where gold pumped and closed around, finally touched my target of 2006, and now also closed around the same level. Right. So, what can we expect this particular week? We'll quickly dive into that. So now this is the first time on Friday last few hours wherein we tapped into this weekly supply candle. All right. For the very first time, we have tapped that on last week on Friday. We made a high of 1997. We never tapped the supply zone. Right. We have tapped this yesterday, and I'm expecting a pullback very soon. Now, also notice one more fact. Right. The last three bullish candles that you see on gold. Look at the body size. I'll quickly draw that out. Right, it's getting smaller, and this essentially means that the volume in the buys, it's dropping. Right, saturation point is coming near, and there's a very good chance you could see reversal in the coming week. Right, so now to further refine this zone itself, on gold I have initially mentioned 2006 because that was daily FVG fill price. We have done that, so let's delete that. Now I have two zones to keep my eyes on, that is 213 to 22 odd levels, and the other one is 2028 to 2041 levels. These two zones are super high probability reversal zones in my opinion. We can definitely expect some very good reactions, and then my target is going to be 1950 1930 odd levels. Now why is that? Because if you notice right here, this zone right here, I have we have mitigated it right here. Again, this candle, we have sort of mitigated it right here. Again, this we have mitigated it right here. So this is the only zone which is untested, right? So what I am trying to say here is, if we are going to drop again from this point, uh, from these zones, my target is easily going to be the first, the right here, this low right here, and after that I have this entire zone of 1908 to 1932, so where I will be looking for continuations in the bullish rally. So that's pretty much it on gold. Let's quickly drop to GBPUSD and see what's happening. Monthly time frame, I think we have 2 more trading days left to complete this candle, and I think we will most likely end up tapping into this zone if I were to go on a daily time frame. Yeah, I think most likely we'll now tap into this zone right here. We have, you see, even after breaking this structure, making a higher high right here, we failed to give any strong bullish reactions. Right, this one on Tuesday was also a simple tap into the order block, and then we continued down. Right, and after that, you see how there is every bullish move, it's being sold back. Right, so there's a very good chance this week could be very bearish on XXX USD pairs. So I am still going to be continue looking for shorts only. And let's go on a 4 hour time frame if we have any zones. So yeah, on a hourly chart, I see this imbalance right here. You could definitely see some reactions on the open during Asian. And if you see some correction, some structure break, lower high, lower low form, you can continue to target the previous swing low, which is right here, this one. So that's pretty much it on GBP USD. Let's quickly check Euro USD and finally DXY. So monthly chart, monthly imbalance pending right here. I marked the monthly order block open price and see the reaction. It's very, very good reaction that we have got, right? And let's drop to weekly time frame. So on a weekly time frame, we have created this trend line. We're pretty much compressing at a demand zone right here. I think this weekly candle could potentially look something like this, if I'm not wrong. Something of a huge fall down. It's a very good chance this week's candle could look like this. So I'll only be interested to look for shorts again. And now we have this zone right here, the monthly imbalance zone which we had marked. So what I'm going to do is I'm just waiting for shorts to play out right here. If I open this, so we have nothing. Yeah, on a again on hourly chart, here we have got liquidity. Again, we have left some imbalance. So again, similar to GBP USD, you could wait for price to tap into this, let it change the structure, and then you can continue to short. Very simple, very sweet setup on Euro USD, which I will be looking forward to on Monday, possibly during London Open. So that's pretty much it on Euro USD. Let's check DXY. Now DXY, as I recently mentioned, we could again manipulate these lows and continue higher, and notice how we've never closed below these lows, right? We have just got liquidity, continued higher. And now I think this supply has also been tested. This has been broken. So there's a very good chance we could continue higher. This weekly candle might look something like this. We could just continue higher and break this structure as well. There's a very good chance about that. And I would like to take that. I would like to be looking for shorts only on XXX USD pairs and longs on your USD XXX pairs. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you found the video helpful. Um, if you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.